Hi guys, I'm here at Protopia. They're actually an organization that offer data privacy that scale with your AI infrastructure, like protect, prompt, secure, and your retrieval augmented generation, and you can deploy it anywhere. Then some of the major features that distinguish them from some of their competitors. One, it is fast, it is efficient, it is also cost effective. You can see that you can have a near zero result and latency impact using their technology. I have one of their representatives here. Her name is Liliana. And Liliana will be speaking with us today.
Hi.
Liliana, can you tell us about what AI solution Protopia provide?
Yeah, so you summed it up really well. We're a data privacy solution specifically tailored to secure data at inference endpoints. So when you're building and training AI models in production, the legacy security protection methods that exist are encryption, data masking, redaction, but we all know that is really expensive to build and maintain. And it doesn't most critically, the emerging threat vector that's happening as AI models and LLMs explode in the market today is that data is exposed at inference endpoints. So that means when you are sending your data to inference endpoint providers like Fireworks AI, Together, Nebius, NVIDIA, your data is protected in transit and at rest, but it gets exposed in plain text. So that means your training data, your IP, your customer PII, PHI information, all of that could be potentially leaked at inference endpoints. So what Protopia does is we have this product called Stained Glass Transform, and we stochastically transform data. And that is a fancy mathematical word to mean that we non-deterministically transform data into re-randomized representations so that your data is protected at inference.
I have a quick question for you regarding the stained glass transformation, because I'm familiar with data privacy concepts like maxing, like pseudonymization.
Yep.
Yeah, then under what category is this like a new concept?
This is a brand new technology. No one else on the market does it today. We hold 9 different patents for this technology, and it works with any open weight model. So as long as you have the weights, we can transform that data. And you can see that we just pulled benchmark performance of how Meta performs with and without our product. We maintain accuracy. We're less than 1% on inference time, so we're very performative. We're not adding latency or slowness to AI training workloads or production grade workloads. And we're easy to implement too. We are implemented on the inference layer via our own fancy VLLM instance. All you need to do is deploy a Docker Kubernetes container, a couple lines of code, and we will be up and running in your ecosystem.
Wow, that is amazing.
Yeah.
Can you tell us one of the limitations or what challenge does your current partners or customers face while using this technology?
Oh my gosh. It's something like, I'm sure you've heard of this phrase before, but we always talk to our customers about POC purgatory. So basically, you have to build a POC before your engineering team approves something to go live in production to get embedded into one of your products. And so many people create amazing POCs for Gen AI and image and computer vision AI solutions, but they get killed by the security team or the software architecture team because it's too expensive to build. People are worried about data leakage, and they don't want to be sending sensitive private customer data outside of their enterprise zone of trust. So that is what we help our partners and our customers solve for. We're a great alternative. A lot of people work around this by generating synthetic data. You want to work with your real data. You just need to make sure it's protected. We're a great alternative to that. And we're helping tons of people in healthcare, finance, government, defense tech, any industry that's handling sensitive data in this way.
That really makes sense. And one quick question. Is there a limitation? Let us assume we have an organization that deals with a lot of volume of data. Does your solution accommodate organizations with
Yes.
such a use case?
Yes, we support any kind of deployment environment that organizations use: on-prem, hybrid, multi-tenant, edge,
Okay.
cloud. We are compatible and deployable in any environment.
Okay.
And then, yeah, last thing I'll tell you about is just a quick RAG case study with a major research hospital. Let's just say they're one of the big ones on the East Coast, Ivy League. Just make some guesses. But basically, they were trying to build a RAG app so that doctors and nurses could query medical research data and get up-to-date citations.
Okay.
And not only that, they wanted to collaborate with other research hospitals in the area, but because of HIPAA compliance issues, they weren't able to get this RAG app into production. Fast forward to working with Protopia and MetaLlama, they were able to build a highly performative RAG app that doctors and nurses can use. They were able to enrich their data while maintaining compliance.
Wow.
And they've saved countless time, effort, and hours for research teams, doctors, nurses to help them do their job faster and better.
Wow, that is really amazing. And lastly, what kind of organization do you guys offer your service to? Is it like large enterprise organization or small medium enterprise organization?
Yeah,
I'm looking at it from a perspective of pricing.
absolutely. We definitely are an enterprise grade solution. We work primarily with the Fortune 1000.
Okay.
But, always open to having conversations about interesting data privacy, sensitive data use cases. We are a pretty affordable option when it comes to traditional encryption and security alternatives. So would love to chat with anybody who's interested in learning more.
Okay, great. Thank you, Liliana. Nice to
Yeah,
meet you on our
so good
AI
meeting you,
podcast
Henry.
show.
Thank
And hopefully we
you.
can invite you maybe on our Zoom chat as well. We are
Absolutely.
hoping to have that probably in a few months' time.
Great. Thank you so much. Huge fan of this channel.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.